What is up, everyone? It's your host, Paulum's Films here. And outside, the rain was so crazy. Like, there was thunder and everything. The aliens are attacking us. That's the cause of all this. I'm gonna go to my backyard to investigate this more. Because my cat is out there. He's on my profile picture, and his name is Paul. Ah, it's slippery. See, I told you it's crazy out here. Sorry if it's hard to hear me because of the rain. I don't want to get my screen wet, though. Let me get an umbrella. Alright, I don't have a real umbrella, so I'm going to have to use this Viking hat and a pillow. It's harder to see on video, but the rain is really crazy. See, look at this. My screen's getting wet. But look at this puddle. And this. And this. Alright. My cat lives under here. I hope you're okay. Paul! You need to be rescued. Come on, where are you? Look at this puddle over here. Oh, my screen's getting really soaked. Hello, anyone in here? Nope. Tommy, let me in. Don't do that. Anyone back here? Paul, you have to be safe back here. Parole! Oh no, he's not back here. I can hear the lightning strike. The aliens are trying to electrify us. Gotta get back in there and take cover. I am so wet. I'm so scared right now. The lightning tornado is very close. Tommy, what do you think we should do?
Have to take cover.
You're right. We have to go to the basement, and we have to grab as much food as we can. Then we have to stay there till the storm ends. See, that's learning what to do in a lightning tornado with Paulum's Films. These cherries are delicious. We'll definitely take them with us. Tommy, I've got some cherries. They should last us for weeks. Yeah, even though there were fruit flies on them. Oh, Tommy, did you hear that? Yeah, you did. Did you hear it? The lightning storm. It's coming right for us. Run! Is this thing on? Alright, good. The battery's still on. So, we were too scared to go in the basement because the lights were off. Yeah, when it's dark down there, zombie miners like to mine for minerals and stuff there. So instead we just went in under the table, the second safest place to go during a lightning storm.
A lightning tornado.
Yes, that's what I meant. But we'll be alright, because, you know why? We have Flossosaurus. Where is he?
Right here. It says push back for surprise.
Yeah. You guys can't... Oh, thing says push back for surprise. You guys can't see it, though, because it's too dark. But would you like to push it back, Tommy?
Yeah.
See? Flossosaurus is here. Again, you guys can't see it too well. The lightning tornado just passed, so the lights went back on. Luckily our house wasn't too affected by it. However, the other houses, like the ones right across the street, are like totally destroyed. It'll take a while to rebuild them. But whatever, here's the Flossosaurus. He'll always tell us to floss our teeth and that everything's okay.